That is not the sight you want to see on your Saturday morning to work. Oh man. What is up? It is not clickbait, unfortunately. You read the title correctly. There is something wrong with 350Z. I'm not entirely sure what's wrong, but I'm gonna play the footage I got all yesterday from when we had to tow it and everything, but... Flashback. Well, here we are, stranded on the side of the road in the Nissan 350Z. What could have happened this time? What could have happened this time? Sounds like... I mean, that belt right there is fried, sitting right, so, and there's coolant coming out. Coming up this road, and I thought I got something stuck like under the driver's side tire, and then I was accelerating. I realized I only heard it when I was accelerating, so I figured it was the engine or something. So I got freaked out, pulled over on the side of the road, and it was like steaming underneath, which I think it was just the belt being burned up. So I have no idea. Hopefully it's not too bad. Drop your guesses down below. What do you think it is? I hope it's not bad, but I mean, I'm seriously 4 minutes from my house right now, which is the saddest thing. So I'm thinking about just leaving it and kind of trying to get it over like into this corner a little bit more. So I don't know entirely what's wrong, but I think it has something to do with the water pump because it was dripping coolant. It's not a lot of coolant. Like it's not even enough to land on the ground. It's just dripping onto the under tray. I think that something's definitely wrong with the water pump. So, and I don't know if you remember, but like literally every time we'd start the car, whether it was overnight or even like 3 hours after we parked it, it would squeak. I was thinking maybe because I didn't tighten it, or I didn't tighten the tensioners or something like that, the belt tensioners, because the belt is kind of ripped, so I don't entirely know. But we'll see, Hopefully it's not terrible. AAA's on their way. I asked them to bring the super low, like the lowest flatbed they have, just because, pretty low. She said like 2 hours or like 90 minutes, so this is where I'll be. This guy that lives right here is really cool. He actually came over and said, hey, asked if we needed anything. And then actually some random guy just rolled up right here and asked if we were good. People are nice out here, man. Yo. Oh.
It looks good.
It does look good.
At least it's red. No one's gonna...
I know. You can't miss it. Back in the Miata. 350Z is down for the count. The tow truck driver should be there any minute now. Oh, that's what I was worried about. So low on gas right now. So the tow truck driver is going to be there at 1:20. It's 1:05 p.m. Luckily, we're only like 4 minutes from the location of the Z, so we could probably make it. This Miata is so dirty. I don't know if you can see, but the glass is just covered in grime. I hope you guys are proud of me. I'm trying to quit soda and energy drinks, and I'm going with coffee instead. I'm not a big fan of coffee, I'm not gonna lie. There's so much sugar inside of those energy drinks and that soda, those strawberry Dr. Peppers, and it's like drinking like, I mean, it's exactly what it tastes like. It just tastes like water that was soaking in beans, and that's exactly what coffee is. So it's not terrible. I got the French vanilla creamer, so, you know, until my taste buds settle down from the energy drinks, I'm gonna be relying on that creamer, I'm not gonna lie. You drink coffee? Let me know in the comments if you drink coffee. I'm trying to get into it. Dang. All right, check it out. We got like a full-on car show over here on the side of the road. Hey, man, sad day. At least we have the trusty Miata. I'm so thankful for this car. No matter what happens, I do not want to destroy this front bumper and front lip today. Tow truck drivers and low cars are just not the best, and this is super low. So I'm hoping he has some like wood pieces, you know. I probably should just keep him in the car, honestly. I don't know. Hopefully it's okay. He should be here any minute. Tow truck driver has made it. It's showtime. All right, we got the tow hook out. We're gonna see what we can do here. He said he's good. He said he's been doing this for a long time, so. We're all set. We're following him over to the shop. Oh, wait. Awesome, thank you. Yeah. All right, let's do it. And we're off. There we go. Following the Z. When things like this do happen, which occasionally they do, you really get to appreciate all the times when the car does work, and you really also get to appreciate all the little tiny jobs that everyone has, like the tow truck driver, the insurance lady on the phone. Like I called AAA, she answers right away. Of course, I know it's all their job to do that, but the system, we just can't take it for granted. Like the way it's set up, of course, there's flaws. There's flaws to every system, but I'm just really grateful, like full of gratitude that we live in a society where it's as built up to where it's at, you know, like with all these systems and everything in place. It's pretty cool. So, there she is. I don't think I've ever been underneath the 350Z. There it is. Oh, dang. So sad. Made it over here to Affordable Auto Repair. Never been to this shop before, but I've heard good things. I've had a lot of people actually recommend this place. So, just to get it off the tow truck without destroying the front bumper. You never really expect things like this to happen, but you know, I'm not gonna lie, things like this really make life exciting, you know what I'm saying? So I'm so upset I did not get that tow truck driver's name. He was really cool. I can't believe I didn't get his name, but he works on cars and he used to flip cars and stuff like that, so he definitely knew how to handle cars like this. It's just so awesome. I'm so appreciative that there's people like that out there. So
End of flashback.
we are over here at Affordable Automotive Repair. One of the guys in the area that does the flatbed towing for a lot of the sports cars in the area, he actually recommended we come over here to this shop, so that's what we're doing. And they have 1,000 reviews and 4.9 stars rating, so they have to be good. And one thing they're known for is just not upselling you on things you don't need. So we're gonna go test it out today. Hopefully this will be like the new main shop we go to, because I'm in desperate need of a shop in the area. So let's run in, let's see what's happening, and let's get this thing fixed. All right, got the Miata and 350Z. It's not very often we get to have both of these cars out and about, which is pretty cool, but oh man, this thing makes me sad, but we'll get it fixed. You know, whenever things like this happen, it gets more love than it had, so.
5 minutes later.
All right, all good over here at Affordable Auto Repair. They are gonna take the Z, check it out. I don't know if it'll start or anything, so they're gonna look it over and they might have to pull it in somehow. But honestly, I just talked to that guy in there, super friendly and super professional. Definitely have been doing this for a long, long time, so I'm always worried dropping this thing off. So it's kind of a relief to talk to the people around and just kind of get an idea of what they know how to do and stuff. And they seem like they know exactly what to do. So huge thanks to Affordable Auto Repair. We will hear back from them in a few days, but for now, we have a Miata to drive. So really quick and lighter news, I just want to say thank you so much. We hit 20,000 subscribers the other day. Johnny 2 years ago had no idea this was in the cards. And it's just a perfect example of you can do anything you want to do in this world. Put your mind to it, hone your craft, get 1% better every single day, and just keep showing up. Life is like a triangle or like a pyramid. It's like as you move up, more and more people fall off, and soon you'll be the last person at the top. Most people do not stick things out, so if you can just keep going, I promise you, you will surprise yourself. Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. Join the family. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.